Welcome back to Motorculture TV. My name is Jake and today I'm showing you around this 79 Series LandCruiser and a Caravan. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got ourselves a hold of a package worth over $400,000, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And before we do go any further, by the time you're seeing this, this draw is now open to the public. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you and something up here as well. So you can enter the draw for as little as $10 if you like. But enough of that. We have a massive 79 Series LandCruiser to check out. This is a 2025 model. That's right. This thing is brand spanking new and it has all of the gear, and hopefully the person that drives it is going to have a little bit of an idea of how to use it all. Speaking of modifications though, here's what we're running at the very front. We've obviously got an aftermarket bull bar. We have 4 spotties. We even have integrated lights within the bull bar as well, which is pretty wild. The bull bar also has a winch equipped. Hopefully you won't be needing it. Hopefully it'll be dragging your mates out of the mud instead. Up the top, of course, we're looking at a safari snorkel. We've got a roof rack up there, even more lights just in case you seriously do need to turn the night into day. And we also have some extra side steps equipped. But we're not done, no, because this LandCruiser has so much more on offer, including the clear view mirrors at the top. We also have recovery tracks, solar panels, and working our way down, you'll see we've fitted it out with some aftermarket wheels and tires. It's also had a suspension upgrade and a GVM upgrade to do 3.95 tons. Pretty impressive. And then of course we have this absolutely beautiful canopy on the back of this 79 Series, and it has everything that you could possibly ask for. I'm talking massive amounts of storage. You've got pull-out benches as well. You've even got a little pantry here that you can take advantage of. The fridge. You've got lighting already in it with orange, warm white and cool white lighting. You've also got a massive 12-volt system in here too that comes equipped with lithium batteries, MPPT chargers, obviously the solar panel as we touched on up above, and your inverter too, which means you can take 2 40-volt appliances along with you. It also comes equipped with air compressors as well, and just wait until you see the back. At the back, you've got yourself a torque and exhaust system to make this 79 Series sound perler. You've also got 2 spare wheels as well, just in case you run into any trouble, and additional storage down below in the little trundle. But at the top, and you may have not noticed it yet, maybe you have, it even comes equipped with a beautiful rooftop tent. And if you're wondering what's on the other side of the canopy, it's a great question. You're going to find even more storage options, and down below, extra toolbox storage too. And the interior, round of applause for Toyota because they have done some upgrades, but we have also done some upgrades too, because you might already see it has Recaro racing bucket seats, and guess what? They're heated as well, which is pretty damn mint if you ask me. It also comes equipped with a UHF, and thanks to ZFI, our brand new partners, it also has a self-fire booster to make sure you can stay connected when you are in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It comes equipped with a Red Arc electronic braking system for the Caravan on the back, and as I mentioned, Toyota stepped their game up. You've got a semi-digital dash right in front of you and an actual infotainment system. Love it. So you've got the car to take you around the country, but do you have the accommodation? Well, with this combo, the answer is yes, because you've got the Mountain Trail RV LXV 6.2, which is one of the biggest models that they have on offer. And one of my favorite parts about the entire thing is the electronic awning that you can set up with simply pushing a button, which is pretty damn sweet. And if you like cooking beneath the stars, you have an exterior kitchen that comes with a 3-burner stove, stainless steel sink, plenty of storage options, and it's even got a fridge out here. But if you do want to enjoy the stars a little bit more with all the boys around the campfire, I have great news for you. You can still enjoy your Friday night rugby league because there's a TV right here. But there's a lot more to it than just the TV right here. In fact, you can adjust the levels of the Caravan's airbags. You've got a 240-volt plug-in as well. You've also got USB chargers, 12-volt chargers, as well as a full Red Arc battery management system that you can toggle everything on and off from, and even a Fusion surround sound system. And welcome to the interior of this deluxe Mountain Trail RV. That's right, this thing has a massive bed, so you can get nice and cozy even when you are sleeping on a dirt trail. You've got plenty of storage all around you too, reading lamps, heaps more charging ports, and just wait until you see what I'm looking at in front of me. You've also got this club lounge, which is super comfortable, and it's a good place to be enjoying a meal. Just in case the weather outside is not too desirable, you still have access to that Fusion surround sound system and the battery management system too. And the cool part about it is this table drops down and can turn into another bed if need be. The Caravan also comes with built-in air conditioning and a diesel heater too. And on the flip side of things, you've got an interior kitchen. And I really do like this kitchen because it has something that I've never seen in a Caravan before. And I'll get to it in just a second. We've got the microwave at the top, a matte black stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and of course, plenty of storage. But what you probably didn't expect to see is the fact that it's got a dishwasher. Oh, and it also has a pretty damn big fridge and freezer too, just in case you need to keep your beers nice and cold and your ice cream nice and chilly. And you guessed it, we're in the bathroom, and it does come with a full functioning toilet, washing machine as well, which I think is pretty neat. You've got another sink in here, heaps more storage options, a nice little mirror so you can look at yourself in the morning to make sure you don't look like absolute turd from the night before, and a shower in here, which is both hot and cold water running, which is great. Alrighty, but let's get down to the nitty gritty for a moment. This Caravan right here is fitted out with off-road suspension and wheels, which is nice to have a little bit of peace of mind. So you can drag it pretty much anywhere you like. Anywhere that the 79 series can go, this Caravan is gonna go with you. But let's tuck into the 12-volt system. It offers 1300 watts of solar panel up top, which is absolutely mammoth, and it's paired up with 600 amp hours of lithium batteries, which should keep you going off-grid for a very long time. Now, in terms of our water, we've got over 300 litres of fresh water storage available. I found the word. And 125 litres of grey water too. So what do you reckon? Over $400,000 worth of 79 Series LandCruiser and Caravan. And obviously, as I mentioned at the very start of the video, you guys can win it for just 10 smackaroos right now. Link up here, link down in the description. But I have a question for you. What is your favorite part about this entire combo? For me, I reckon it's got to be the canopy on the back. It's pretty spicy, but let me know down in the comment section if you've liked what you've seen today. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and of course hit the bell notification as well so you're notified every single time Motorculture Australia drops a new video, because they're always coming in thick and fast. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.